Hong Kong's Metropark Hotel has now become the center of two epidemics, SARS and COVID-19. While Hong Kong's SARS outbreak back in 2003 started from this hotel, the hotel as of August 9, 2020 has been quartering Mainland China's 7-member advanced support team as they lead the controversial COVID-19 testing in Hong Kong, testing that many suspect as disguised DNA collection. In February of 2003, the Metropark Hotel in Kowloon became ground zero for SARS in Hong Kong, known at the time as the Metropole Hotel. The name was later changed in 2006 when the Hong Kong-China Travel Service Group acquired the hotel. What happened in 2003? It started when Liu Jianlun, a medical professor who unknowingly contracted SARS, attended a relative's wedding in Hong Kong in February. Shortly after checking into room 911 at the Metropark Hotel, Liu Jianlun quickly felt a fever. He consulted treatment the next day, but 12 days later on March 4th, he died in Kwong Wah Hospital. Liu would later be known as the super spreader. Liu ended up spreading the virus to at least 10 other people in the hotel, including residents and visitors, which evolved and led to a community outbreak. Eventually, 299 people died and 1,755 were infected in Hong Kong. Liu also passed the virus to foreign travelers, spreading the virus to North America and Vietnam, and resulting in the contamination in other countries around the world. In short, the Metropark Hotel was the epicenter, sparking SARS's uncontrollable global spread. Coincidentally, 17 years later, the hotel is once again connected with an epidemic fostering a virus that's a new variant of the SARS coronavirus, or now often referred to as COVID-19 or the CCP virus. As many Hong Kongers watch this situation closely, one question remains. Are the 7 mainland experts coming to Hong Kong in hopes of ending a crisis or to start another? Starting another crisis. To further establish the new national security law imposed by Beijing, a ceremony was conducted on July 8th to change another one of Metropark's hotels located in Hong Kong's Causeway Bay into the National Security Agency's temporary administration building. After the ceremony, an Epoch Times reporter holding interviews outside the building came across a middle-aged man in a blue polo shirt, standing idle and confused. Upon interview, he identified himself in fluent Mandarin, claiming to be a traveler stuck in Hong Kong due to the epidemic. However, when he realized he was speaking to the Epoch Times, he immediately ran back into the National Security Office. After comparing various new clips from the other Hong Kong media, the Epoch Times later discovered that this man was not only at the official opening ceremony, but also in contact with Tan Yao Zong, a Hong Kong member of the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress. As his blue polo shirt was spotted among a group of neat-suited guests, people are predicting from this conspicuous scene that he was a national security officer from the mainland. This aligns with a popular belief that these so-called national security personnel are actually spies and special agents. Later that day, the CCP distributed reinforcements from the National Security Agency throughout Hong Kong, including 300 long-term stationed policemen. Yet in just the next day, the number of new CCP virus cases in Hong Kong increased 9-fold. Hong Kongers continue to exclaim, "National security agents came with the CCP virus."